The letter A. A stands for alligator. The alligator amazed us with his accordion. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write the lowercase letter A. Start with your pencil on the dotted line. Curve down to the left, and then go back up to where you started, closing the loop. Now, go straight down with a slight slant to the baseline and end with a smile. Write the letter A in the air. Let's practice. Now, we'll write the uppercase A. It's the same shape as lowercase a, only bigger. Start with your pencil on the top line. Curve down to the bottom line, then back up to where you started. Now, go straight down with a slight slant to the baseline and end with a smile. Write the letter A in the air. Now, let's practice. Let's connect our A's. Write your uppercase letter A, come up from the smile, and connect with a lowercase a. You can also connect two lowercase a's the same way. Did you know that ah is a word? It's a type of lava. Let's write the word ah. We get this word from the Hawaiian language. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!